In this video, I'm going to show you how to add 3D elements in your Canva website. So this element right here is a 3D element, and you can see it from all different angles, as you can see. And we're going to learn how to add this today. So let's delete it right now. And to add this element, just click on Elements at the left sidebar. And then over here, go down to Browse Categories, and then click on the 3D category. And now over here, you can search for any 3D thing that you need. I'm just going to search for magnifying glass. And I can see it right here. So I'm going to just select the same thing here. And you can place it, you can drag it around just like any other element. But over here in this 3D element, you're going to see this button at the middle where it allows you to drag and hold and drag around to see different angles of this element, which is a very nice thing about 3D elements. And you can just adjust it however you want and then release when you're done. And that's it. That's how you can add a 3D element to your Canva website. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.